Have you ever looked up at the night sky, Olivia, and wondered if we're alone in the universe?
All the time. It's hard to believe we're the only ones.
Exactly. That's what Enrico Fermi thought too. He was a physicist, and one day he asked a famous question: where is everybody? This question is now known as the Fermi paradox.
A paradox? So, it's like a mystery?
Right on the money. The paradox is this: there are billions of stars in the Milky Way, many of which have planets similar to Earth. So theoretically, there should be plenty of alien civilizations out there.
And yet, we haven't found any.
We've got radio telescopes scanning the skies, we've sent out messages on spacecraft, and we've even got memes ready to share with our alien friends. But so far, nothing.
Maybe they're not fans of our memes.
Maybe. Or maybe there's something else going on. Let's dive deeper into the Fermi paradox and explore some possible explanations. So, we've got this big cosmic silence, despite all the places aliens could be hiding. One explanation could be the Great Filter.
The Great Filter? That sounds ominous.
It does have a bit of a sci-fi horror vibe, doesn't it? The idea is that there's a step in the evolution of life that's incredibly hard to pass. Maybe it's the jump from single-celled to multi-celled organisms, or maybe it's the leap to a technological civilization.
And we might have already passed it, or it's ahead of us.
Bingo! If it's behind us, we could be one of the lucky few. If it's ahead, well, let's just say we should be very careful with our technology.
Yikes! Any other theories?
Plenty! Another one is the zoo hypothesis. Maybe extraterrestrials know about us but have decided to leave us alone, like animals in a conservation park.
So, we're like space pandas?
Exactly, space pandas. And then there's the possibility that civilizations self-destruct before they can reach out to the stars. Or maybe the distances are just too vast.
That's a lot to think about.
It is, but thinking about it is the first step to finding answers. In our next segment, we'll explore what we're doing to solve the Fermi paradox and how we're trying to make contact. Alright, Olivia, we've pondered over why we haven't heard from aliens yet. Now, let's talk about what we humans are doing about it.
I'm all ears. Are we sending out more memes?
Not just memes. We've got projects like SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. They're using powerful telescopes to listen for signals from outer space.
That's pretty cool. But have they found anything?
Not yet, but it's like looking for a needle in a cosmic haystack. They're sifting through radio waves, hoping to catch a whisper from the stars.
And what if they do?
Well, that's when things get interesting. We'd have to figure out how to communicate. Imagine trying to understand a message not just from another country, but from another world.
Talk about a language barrier.
Exactly. But there's more. We're also sending messages into space. The Voyager spacecraft carry golden records with sounds and images from Earth.
So, if aliens find them, they'll get a mixtape of humanity?
You got it. A cosmic mixtape, hoping someone out there will play it. And who knows? Maybe one day, we'll get a response.
That would be the ultimate callback.
Indeed. But until then, we keep searching, listening, and reaching out into the void. Who knows what mysteries we'll uncover? We've journeyed through the enigma of the Fermi paradox, from the silence of the cosmos to our own attempts to break it. It's a puzzle that stretches our imagination and challenges our understanding of life in the universe.
It's been quite the trip, Noah. The universe is even more mysterious and fascinating than I thought.
And that's the beauty of it, Olivia. The Fermi paradox isn't just about finding aliens. It's about exploring the possibilities of life, the potential of our technology, and the future of humanity.
So, what's the takeaway from all this?
Well, whether we're alone or not, the search for extraterrestrial life teaches us to appreciate the uniqueness of our planet and the life it harbors. It reminds us to take care of our home and each other.
That's a pretty hopeful message, Noah.
It is, and who knows? Maybe one day, we'll find we have neighbors in this vast universe. Until then, we'll keep looking up at the stars, wondering and wandering in our quest for answers.
And maybe, just maybe, someone out there is looking back at us, wondering the same thing.
Maybe. For now, let's keep the conversation going, keep asking questions, and keep dreaming of what might be out there.
Here's to the mysteries of the universe and the human spirit of exploration.
To the stars and beyond.